Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Danielle, creator of Danny Did It and the owner of the Purple Ladder Company. So you guys know I am a DIY home renovator extraordinaire, but sometimes I like to throw in videos that don't really have nothing to do with home improvement. And in this video I want to show you guys how to remove and replace a battery on a 2007 Dodge Charger. So with the 2007 Dodge Charger, locating the battery is first step, right? It is found in the trunk. So I have cleared up all my work stuff from behind here, and you simply lift it up here. Where you find the spare tire is also where you're going to find the battery. So the battery is attached by this piece here, and forgive me if I'm not using the right words because I really don't know what they're called and stuff, but we're gonna detach the battery by unscrewing this little portion here. It's a little nut or a bolt on this one and right here as well, and I should be able to go ahead and just lift the battery out. So I am using my ratchet set. This is just hyper tough. I got it from Walmart, and you can pick one up for yourself for $9.99 or whatever. And I'm just gonna take a few measurements to see which one, find the right one, and I'm just gonna use my ratchet and get those bolts off like I said. We easily identified that number 10 is what you need to remove the bolts from at the top portion, so I'll go ahead and do that now. So I've got one portion removed, but the other side is too big of a space. Now you will also notice that there's a bolt here that's pretty much holding the battery in, so we're gonna remove that bolt first so that I can loosen the battery and get it away so I can remove the other bolt. Sorry. So I've got the 3/8 extension on my ratchet, and then I'm gonna put the reducer on there and then back in with my 10. So you should have something that looks just like that. This is too big. Well, oh, don't look like it.
It's hand tight.
Yeah. So I'm actually just removing the bolt with my hand and the number 10 right now. So I'm able to get down in there with my hand and continue to remove the bolt. So I'm just unscrewing. So I get that bad boy out of there. Okay. So that's what we got. We've got that jacket, that bracket that pretty much secures it. So I'll put that over to the side again. And you can see that I'm now able to move the battery. And so now I'll be able to go back in with my ratchet and remove this bolt here. Okay, so the short 10 that I was using is too short. Let me see if I can show y'all. But because the screw is too long, so you would either need to use a deep 10 or what I'm using here, which is a number 10 wrench. Okay. And we know the age-old saying, lefty loosey, righty tighty. So once you're able to loosen it, I can go ahead and just hand untighten until I get it off. Okay, and now that I gotten both of the bolts loosened, you'll see that I kept the bolts on there. So I'm just gonna shimmy these side pieces to get it off. You see, remove just like that. And the same thing for the other side. Just loosen that bolt And see, I was able to pull it right up. So I've got the whole battery disconnected, including the bolt that secures it, and you're gonna find that you can pull that battery right out. And that's how you remove a battery for a 2007 Dodge Charger. If you guys don't know, AutoZone has a service where you can bring in your battery and they will charge it for you, and they'll also determine the life that you have left in the battery. So that's why I removed this battery. We're going to take it over to AutoZone and let them charge it. I'm going to reinstall the battery and see if that gets the car started. If not, unfortunately, I am going to have to replace the battery, but I did want to just make sure that you guys know about that service at AutoZone, and that should always be your first option before opting to buy a new battery. Thank you guys so much for watching until the end. I'm going to see you guys in my next video. And always remember, guys, if Danny did it, so can you.